How's it going, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to be reviewing or reacting to Sam Hyde's day trading experience. This is the first time I've watched this video. I saw it come out a few months ago, and I was like, I'm going to film a reaction video to that. So this is my first reaction video, so please don't be too judgmental, or be judgmental, I don't care. Put it in the comments. I always get a good kick out of an argument. But yeah, let's start this video. It's interesting because like Sam Hyde's like
Charlie Munger,
like modern day philosopher or something.
Okay. You guys are gonna have watched this whole 3-hour thing, and you're gonna be picking it apart, thinking I'm. And you're gonna say, that's not what time value of money means. I use forex trading. I know this. I'm 23 years old. I got another one.
23.
Emails just now from somebody. I forgot what the cryptocurrency even was, telling me to get in on the ground floor of bite balls. Hey Sam, I didn't take your advice on Ethereum, but here's some advice for you. Get in on bite balls right away. I made 0.3x returns just trading in the past 12 hours. I had to stay up till 3 a.m., but I think I figured out how to time the markets. Enjoy losing $50,000 with that, bro. Yeah, you're making money. Oh, man. Anyway, Charlie Munger, I don't know who he is. I think he invented Facebook or something.
He's holding that list up.
But this quote, this is sort of like the George Soros thing, the betting big thing, okay? The one thing that he's talking about comparing investing to betting at a horse racing track. The one thing that all those winning bettors in the whole history of people who've beaten the system have is quite simple. They bet very seldom. Okay? There's some statistic that top hedge fund guys, hedge fund managers, over a 10-year period only beat the S&P 500 10% of the time or less. And I don't know what the
It's funny. That's funny because he said the more trading you do, the least successful you'll be. So it's funny because my economics professor actually said that a monkey can beat the S&P 500. Was it like 10 times? I don't know. Yeah, a monkey can beat the S&P 500 by throwing darts at a wall with a bunch of companies on it. Because, you know, some are going to be like good, some are going to be bad. Okay, continue.
Exact statistic is, okay, I'm not Wikipedia, all right? Go ask, who's that guy, Bruce, who's always emailing you, telling you to buy $5 Wikipedia donations? Bruce something? Chris whatever? Chris Jenner? Who's the guy? Jimmy Wales. Jimmy Neutron. Sorry, I gotta get my heat shield on here. They bet very seldom. And if you don't like that 10% statistic, go give $5 to Jimmy Neutron for Wikipedia and find, oh, it's 11.2%. Sam's dumb. Dirt. Oh, I'm doing forex trading. Oh, I lost $50,000. Dirt. Oh, I'm 22. I lost more money than I'll ever make again. Dirt. They bet very seldom. Top hedge fund managers not beating the market consistently over a 10-year period. Think about that. All the Indians, all the high-frequency traders, consistently beating the S&P 500? Not really. So what do you know? It's not given to human beings to have such talent that they can know everything about everything all the time. But it is given to human beings. Is this an SJW thing? I don't know. Who work hard at it, who look and sift the world for a mispriced bet that they can occasionally find one. And the wise ones bet heavily when the world offers them that opportunity. They bet big when they have the odds, and the rest of the time they don't. It's just that simple.
You ever watch The Big Short?
Hello. Sorry. You going on a cig break?
Yeah, is that right?
No, you can't have a cigarette. I control your ciggy intake. Do you mind being in this video?
No, that's fine.
All right. Can I you gonna smoke in the doorway?
No, I'm going outside.
Why don't you smoke in the doorway? It's cozier.
Like Sam Hyde, typical Sam Hyde video.
Oh, are you? Can you give me a 2-liter soda?
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding. I don't want that.
Remember, kids, those smoking bad.
That's my boyfriend.
Investor in all trading.
All right, guys. This is a very simple concept, and to me, it's obviously right, based on experience not only from the parimutuel system, which I don't know what that is, probably a fake term he made up when he was inventing Facebook, but everywhere else. And yet, in investment management, practically nobody operates that way. We operate that way, talking about Buffett and Munger. And Buffett this guy invented Microsoft. And we're not alone in the world, but a huge majority of people have some other crazy construct in their heads, and instead of waiting for a near cinch and loading up, they apparently ascribe to the theory that if they work a little harder or hire more business school students, they'll come to know everything about everything all the time. To me, that's totally insane. The way to win is to work, you got 4, and hope to have a few insights. So even if you're not one of these scrubby little guys who's fucking waiting for the next big crypto coin, oh, this fucking fart coin, they've got, it's a virtual computer, oh my God. Dude, even if you're not into that sort of thing, I think you can apply the same thing to life. Knowing where your expertise is, knowing what you know, knowing what you don't know, realizing that you have a limited, I mean, I was talking to a guy today, and I was talking to him, I was like, what's your life ambition? I didn't just open up with this. It's not some stranger at a bus stop. I wasn't like, hey man, what's your life ambition? That's fucking, I hate people who get into deep conversations right off the bat, but it just happened to arise.
I don't talk to anyone.
He was like, I don't want to give anything out there. So he said 2 disparate things. He said, I want to do serious literature, writing, and 50% I want to be a car mechanic. To be good at anything, you have to be monomaniacally focused on it, especially if, like literature, it's something where there's fucking 5 million people who want to be doing it, and there's only time to read 50 books. Unless you're Ty Lopez.
Big difference.
Spreading yourself thin is a bad idea when it comes to life stuff, I think. So yeah, knowing what the scope of your expertise is, knowing how intelligent you really are, and knowing where the mispriced bets, knowing where you're going to find those. Mispriced bets, not only meaning stock prices, but just openings to be filled, niches that you can slither your way into. Okay? I think that's important. And when you find them, you can swing for the fences. This is redundant now, but I'm just finding probably more compact ways of saying it. This video is 8 minutes long. You probably could just skip the first 2 hours, go right to the tail 8 minutes. The other thing is, and I know this probably is not, this is probably a big percentage of you, this does need to be said. The day trader shit, the get rich quick shit, I'm going to do Forex trading. I'm a 21-year-old. I'm going to buy 2 more computers.
Okay, that's funny. He started from 23 down to 22. Now he's at 21. Next, he's going to start 20. Watch.
Monitors so I can do Forex trading. I think I can get the hang of it. Investing with play money, I went up 100 times. So I can do it with real money. All that shit, you got to nip that in the bud real fast, my dude. That's
so true. Like, I started with the day trading and I lost some money, and I got some money, and I lost some money. I realized I'm just really spinning my wheels. I learned that investing long term is the only real way to actually make some money investing. That dividends.
Not a real thing. You're not making money. It's not going to happen. That's not going to happen for you, okay?
Forex is like the worst, by the way. I know maybe I'll get some Forex guys in the comments. Oh, I made so much money in Forex. Okay, that's great. At least it worked out for you, but it doesn't for most people. So let's continue.
There's fucking 200,000 Singaporean people trying to do shit. You're not going to beat them, all right? You're not good enough at math. You're not Chinese enough. You don't have enough East Asian blend in you. You don't work hard enough. And I think the cure to that, there's a guy, look up Anton Creel. Anton Creel now has some trading program that he's trying to sell. That's not what I'm telling you to look up. Look up vintage pre-2012 Anton Creel. Look up the Anton Creel who is constantly talking shit on...
A lot of fun. It's funny, it's true. A lot of YouTubers and like investing teachers, they start off just good. They give you good information, but after a few years, buy my program, 25% discount. Yeah, so I will never do that to you guys. I will never ask you to buy my program because I don't have one.
The day trader hedge fund setup system. He's going to explain to you how you're not going to make money and how that idea is bad. How, you got plantain chips?
No, I don't exist.
Oh, no, thank you.
Bro,
Breath is stinking enough. The hedge fund get rich quick thing, and put a damper on that real quick if you check out Anton Creel. I think there's one where he's giving a talk to some business school. He's basically talking to students at a business school where they would train these hedge fund people, and he's just shutting down their dream entirely. And I love seeing that. That's the most important thing, when people leading nowhere, fucking pea-brain gobbledygook, rainbow goop dreams. In my head, I've got rainbow goop. I'm gonna be a millionaire. Like, fucking down, man. Anton Creel. Maybe I can link to it. No, I'm too lazy. You're gonna have to search for it. That's your time. That's your time, my dude. My time's expensive. Your time is free. You gotta Google that. Anton Creel. Not the new ones, not where he's pitching his new trading system, not where he's gonna help you get rich. That's more of the same drug that you're addicted to. Get off that. The ones where he's shutting them down, check that out.
Well, that's it. You mentioned some important things there, like nip that. Oh, you're gonna be a millionaire in the butt. Yeah, don't listen to all these forex gurus, crypto gurus. Don't get in on whatever coin they're talking about. Really, the only way to become a millionaire is investing long term. There is no get rich quick scheme. So yeah. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. But yeah, that was a good. I thought this video was going to be way worse, but yeah, no, Sam did. He mentioned some important points there. And that's it for my video as well. So as usual, thank you for watching, and good luck on the markets, everyone.